cold lay tarmac can work for small pothole repairs on asphalt driveways, but it is not a universal fix for loose gravel surfaces. Cold lay tarmac is designed to bond with consolidated asphalt, so start by cleaning the repair area thoroughly with a stiff brush and, if possible, a pressure rinse to remove dust and fine particles. For any loose edges, cut back to sound material with a spade or cold chisel and remove all loose debris so the new material has a firm perimeter to sit against. If the surface is exposed aggregate or loose gravel, rake and compact a layer of well-graded crushed stone until it is tightly packed and flat. Then consider a gravel patch product rather than placing cold tarmac directly. When using cold tarmac on compatible surfaces, pour slightly more than the cavity needs and compact it firmly with a handheld tamper or heavy metal plate until the material is flush with the surrounding surface to avoid water pooling. Allow at least 24 hours of dry, mild weather before light use and longer before vehicular traffic. Full performance often improves after several weeks as the binders settle. For edges larger than a few inches across, use a compacted asphalt patch and consider sealing the perimeter with a bitumen emulsion cold pour to improve water resistance and reduce undermining. Common mistakes start with applying cold tarmac to loose, uncompacted gravel where it will not bond and will simply displace. The remedy is to use a gravel-specific repair kit, or add and compact a base layer of crushed stone before any surface product. Another frequent issue is inadequate cleaning, which prevents adhesion. Solve this by removing all dust, oil, and vegetation, and drying the area as much as possible before application. Finally, people often fail to compact the material properly, leaving depressions that collect water. Avoid that by overfilling slightly and compacting in thin lifts until flush with the existing surface. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and materials guidance relevant to driveway repairs and compatibility choices. We also host a discussion community where we share first-hand experiences and tips, and where contractors can find leads and homeowners can compare approaches.